Hi, everybody. Welcome to a new challenge. As you know, I just finished the Fast This Way challenge with Dave Asprey. Love it. I'm reading the book right now. Didn't lose any weight. Actually, it was quite stable, but it was all about experimenting and finding out, what works and what doesn't work for me. The biggest thing that will have the highest impact on my health is nutrition, right? So I'm gonna give you some context or background on that. I am not a cooker. Okay, I am not a foodie. I am someone that eats, out of necessity and a bit of pleasure with sugar. So I am a sweet tooth. Okay, I don't like, candies but I love cakes and chocolate. Okay, so this is my jam. Okay, it's been years now that I've been doing this work on myself. I've been binge eating, emotional eating. So I had that from my youth. It was helping me, cope with, anxiety or stress. When I'm not a really stressed person, but whenever, for example, I had my periods, I was binge eating like crazy, and then it became a habit. The more you do something, the more you do a behavior, you create a habit. Okay, this is how habits are created, by repetition. I've been doing it for years, and now that it's been since 2016-17, I'm doing this work on myself and just improving bit by bit, right? So I learned patience, I learned experimentation, I learned that extreme, radical change doesn't work. I've been raw vegan, I've been, vegan, I've been, paleo, name it. I tried it all because I heard that it was great. So I was trying it, but I didn't have the right intentions. I am starting this, new vegan challenge, 100% vegan challenge in collaboration with Haifa from It's Avocado on Instagram. So I will have mostly Arabic recipes. Okay, so here it is, the vegan challenge by Haifa. I have this booklet with, what you did to me, the vegan challenge, a shopping list, some batching preparation, what I can do. This is amazing. I can't wait for this one. And also the granola, I really like it. What can I have for breakfast and snacks? Okay, so this is really interesting. What can I have for lunch? This is it. And what can I have for dinner? Okay, so the first step here for me that I'm gonna do today, so it's gonna be to just get organized, plan everything that I need to buy. Something that I didn't do in the past was, I was buying veggies and all of that, and then trying to make a recipe out of it without, looking out some recipes. Now I'm doing, the opposite. I'm gonna go from the recipe and then do the grocery shopping and then prepare. I'll try to keep it as Arabic as possible, and it's gonna be also a way for me to just rediscover my my roots. Okay, so let's do this. I'll see you on the other side. So we are the official second day of this vegan challenge. I finally started yesterday. I did you will see it on the screen, mujarrada. The recipe, it's a Lebanese recipe, very easy to make. I have also some herbal drinks that I got prepared to help me, for digestion, which is quite good for my bowel movement. So I'm happy about that too. It's working well. So I don't know if this is Arabic. That's it's called bled in French. So I'm gonna try to look for it in English. And I have my rice. It's gonna last a few days, so that's good. This is today's dinner, and I think I'm gonna have a smoothie later also. Look at that beautiful weather. Day 8, and I'm super excited because actually I'm having some weight loss that is coming with this challenge. That is very surprising. So I am on target on my goals for this year. I feel definitely, like less heavy, and I have more energy for sure. And also this week I'm gonna do much more cooking. I'm doing the intermittent fasting 5 days a week, and in addition to the vegan challenge, and eating almost the same thing, which is easier for the weight loss. Hi everybody, I want to show you how beautiful the weather is today. A little windy, but it's so beautiful. You can see the wind and the sun is out. So I just wanted to give you an update on the vegan challenge. I swear to God, I don't know which day I'm on, but it's I decided to do the vegan until Ramadan and have 100% vegan Ramadan. It's possible. I will know it when I will do it and keep you updated for sure. But I want to share with you the great benefits that I just realized. Inflammation down 100%. I don't know what, because I'm not a big meat eater, but if you take out the cheese, the milk and the eggs, because I was eating a lot of eggs, actually my inflammation went down a lot, like dramatically. It's crazy. And I'm losing weight more quickly, like on a weekly basis. It's much more easier. And also don't feel bloated. At the beginning I was like, especially last week, a bit bloated because because you're eating more beans and veggies, so the bacteria in the gut are changing. So I was feeling the difference. I was also breaking out a bit one day, but went out after a day. So yeah, this is the update. Amazing results. I'm so excited. That's why I decided to really continue until and do that during Ramadan, so I have the double benefits of the fasting and being vegan. Energy levels depends, but like more positive energy, more higher energy, and more focus. So I don't have any brain fog and all of that, but it's been a while that I didn't have any brain fog.